So Leetcode 287 question. Find the duplicates number. So given an array of integers nums containing n plus 1 integers where each integer is a range which is an inclusive of 1 comma n, there is only one repeated number in the nums. Return this repeated number. You must solve the problem without modifying the array nums and uses only the constant extra space. So in this question, I'll explain what it is about. Basically, we have to return the number which is repeated more than one time. It's basically a duplicate number, means a number which appears same in the next coming series. We have to return that number. See, you can see the input here. Basically, the nums, they have given an array of integers like 1, 3, 4, 2, 2. So here the number 2, 2 is repeated. So the 2 you will return as an output. The same in example 2 also, 3, 1, 3, 4, 2, the 3 is repeated, you will return 3 as an output. So here there are many approaches where you can solve these problems. So let me explain the thing by taking an input as an example, that is 1, 3, 4, 2, 2. So basically there are many methods to solve. One is a hashing method, another one is an optimal method, that's a slow and the fast pointers, and one is a taking an array also concept. They solve different kinds of approaches we do. But I'll do by approaching a optimal solution, that is slow and fast pointer method. So basically what is that means, basically we apply for certain linked list concept and all, you use a slow and fast pointer where you come across a cyclic methods and all. If you come across such problems, we use a slow and fast pointers. So basically what it does, we will come to know when we write an algorithm for the code. So first input we will take, by taking an input we'll come across how do we solve this 1, 3, 4, 2, 2. So the question is nums they have given. In the nums of array, what is there? 1, 3, 4, 2, 2. Okay. So what should be an output? The output should be as 2 you should return. So how do you approach means the cyclic method, basically how do we deal this cyclic methods, that is a slow and fast pointer means basically indexing will start from 0, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is basically an indexing you started. So how do you approach means, for example, in the cyclic method, you take this one. First number you take it as here and then you go like this. The next number, that is 1, you have already taken. You have to see the index next. In the 1 index, which number is there? 3 you will take. In the next 3, which index number is there? 2 is there. 2 you will take. Next, which number is there here? In the second index, which number is there? You have a fourth number. Next, in the 4th index, which number is there? It's 2. Again, you will come back like this. So it's basically this, we call it as a cyclic method or the cyclic approach, where we use a concept of the fast and the slow pointer. Okay. So we shall see an algorithm approach where we come across the certain slow and fast pointers. See, for example, now what I'm assigning in the initial stage, slow and the fast pointer I'm assigning to a first number. Okay. Basically in the first approach, slow you will go by 1 step, fast pointer you will go by 2 step. That is, now slow will be in the 3rd position, fast will be in this position. Okay. You have to go till where the slow and fast pointer meet each other. When they meet each other, for example, when they meet at 2, for example, I'm not telling where they meet. For example, you think if they meet at 4, slow and fast pointer, if they meet at 4, what you have to do? You have to assign again a fast value to the first number, fast value. Then you should go and check if in that loop, only for the first time, as I told, for the first time you're incrementing slow, you're moving a slow pointer to 1 step, fast pointer to 2nd step. For example, if the slow and fast pointer meet in the first approach, what you have to do? You have to make a fast pointer to pointing to 1. Then the slow pointer, you have to move a step 1. Fast also you have to move step 1, not the 2 times, only for the first time. If they meet each other, you have to return that number. Okay. So basically, I will through an algorithm approach, I will tell you how does it work. So I'll remove this part. I'll write it little big. That is the array of numbers, that is 1, 3, 4, 2, 2. Indexing is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what is an algorithm approach? This is basically an algorithm approach. So listen it. So this is an algorithm approach. See, now we'll start how we will start to what we will start to trace the code. Okay. Yeah. First time, what happens? You are assigning a slow pointer to nums of 0. Okay. Now, slow is what? Nums of 0. What is nums of 0 here? It's 1. Next, fast is equal to nums of 0. Fast also it is point. As I told at the beginning, both will fast to first number. Next, you will enter this part. Slow is equal to nums of slow. Now, what happens? Slow is equal to, what is nums of slow? Nums of slow. Nums of slow is 1. What is nums of 1? It is 3. Now it becomes 3. 1 becomes 3. Next, fast. Fast is equal to nums of fast means nums of what is fast? 1. What is nums of 1? Nums of 1 is 3. What is again nums of 3? It is 2. It means that fast pointer moves ahead of 2 times that of it, like 2 steps ahead of it. Basically use this algorithm like nums of fast. What is nums of fast? 1 is 3. What is nums of 3? It is 2. Now what the fast becomes 2. Now again you will check the while condition. Is slow is equal to fast? No, it is not equal. Next again you will come back here. Again you will come back. Now what happens is slow. Next in the next type, slow is equal to, what is nums of 3? What is nums of 3? Nums of 3 is 2. 2. Next, fast is equal to nums of what is fast here? 2. What is nums of 2? It is 4. Nums of 2 is equal to, it is 4. Right. See, nums of 2 what you are getting? Basically nums of 2 you are getting 4. Nums of 2 you are getting 4. Okay. So nums of 4 what you are getting? You are getting 2. That is now fast becomes 2. Now we'll check the while condition. Is slow is not equal to fast? No, it is not satisfying the condition because both are equal here. Now what you do? You come out of the loop again here. You will execute this part now. Okay. So now slow is, it both are equal. Next step. I will erase this part. I think till here you understood. This next part I'll explain. When both are equal, again I told you fast you should make it as, for the nums of 0 you should make it as fast. Okay, that is you will assign a value. Now what happens? Fast is equal to, what happens? Fast nums of 0. What is nums of 0? Now 1. Now fast is 1. But slow is what? It is 2 here now. Fast is 1, slow is 2. Next, well, slow not equal to fast. Yes, it's satisfying. You'll come inside. Slow is equal to nums of. Slow is equal to nums of 2. What is nums of 2? 4. So again, fast is equal to, what is nums of fast? Nums of 1 is equal to 3. Now slow is 4, fast is 3. Again you will check. Yes, it's satisfying. Again you will come here. Again next time. Slow is equal to nums of 4. What is nums of 4? It is 2. Next fast. Nums of 3. What is nums of 3? It is 2. You will check now. Slow is 2. Fast is 2. You will check the condition. Is slow not equal to fast? No. Both are equal. Now what you will do? You will come out of this loop and then you will print the return slow. What is slow now? 2. So 2 is printed. Okay. Now what you will return? 2. So the output is 2. The output is 2. You will print the 2 value because the 2 is a duplicate number right now here. I hope you understood the code. We will just recheck and code it in the Leetcode as well. Okay. Now we will just code here. Int slow. Int slow is equal to nums of 0. Next, int fast is equal to nums of 0. Next, what you will do? You will put a do while loop now. slow is equal to nums of 0. Slow is equal to nums of slow. Fast is equal to nums of fast. Okay. Now what you will do, you will come out of this and you will print while you will check while. Basically, you know how the do while loop. First it executes certain statement and then checks the condition. The same way it will execute this conditions and will check the condition. Slow is not equal to fast. Okay. If it's true, again it goes back and checks the conditions. Then it executes the statements. Next what you will do, if both are equal, you will come out and you will assign fast is equal to nums of 0. Again you will assign. Next, while slow is not equal to fast, what you will do, slow is equal to nums of slow. Slow is equal to nums of slow. Okay. And fast is equal to nums of fast. Fast is equal to nums of fast. Okay. Then if it checks the condition like whether it's equal, it will come out and it will return the slow value. Okay. Let me check the number of closing in the brackets as well. Yeah, all it's right. Let me run the code now. Yeah, it's completed. All the cases have been passed. Test cases, all it's been passed. And now let's submit the code.